Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today, June 1, on occasion of World Milk Day, let us discuss something about milk fortification. Milk is having high quality of protein, calcium, phosphorus, fat soluble vitamins A, D, which are very essential for the bone and tooth development. Vitamin A and D is lost while milk processing because of the heat processes which are involved during pasteurization. National Nutrition Monitoring Bureau survey and report of expert group of ICMR 2012 stated that both young children, adults particularly in urban areas, are very less active and have a very limited exposure to the sunlight, because of which the people living in urban areas are at high risk of getting vitamin A and D deficiencies. India producing 146.3 million tons of milk and per capita availability is 322 grams per day. These are some of the types of milk which are available in India. Fortifying standard fat 4.5%, toned milk fat 3%, double tone fat 1.5%, and skim milk fat less than 0.5%. Because of these standards, a person who is going to buy a milk is able to identify which type of milk is suitable for him or her. If the person is already having cardiac diseases, or if some person is getting recommended to go for low fat diet, so they may go for skimmed milk, which is having very low percentage, that is only 0.5% of fat. Food fortification means addition of vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, iodine, vitamin A and vitamin D to the staple foods like rice, milk, salt without changing the taste, aroma or texture of the food. This can be done at the industrial level or community level or even at the household level. Some of these above mentioned nutrients which are micronutrients which are lost during the processing, so this type of nutrients can be re-added to enhance the nutrition of the products. In India, the deficiencies of vitamin A, vitamin D, iodine, calcium is the leading cause of anemia, underweight, bone disorders and iodine deficiency disorders. So food fortification is the quantities of these micronutrients are added as per the recommended dietary levels. Fortified staples which are usually seen in our daily life include double fortified salt, milk, edible oil, rice and wheat flour. Milk fortification is done with vitamin A and vitamin D as per FSSAI recommendations. Vitamin A 270 micrograms RE is retinol equivalent, and vitamin D 5 micrograms to 7.5 micrograms is recommended. The cost of fortification is very less, that is approximately 2 paisa per liter of milk. Advantages is it is very cost effective method to address the nutritional deficiencies, and it will improve the health of a person. It will improve the health of tooth, bones and vision and so many other added health benefits. Salt is fortified with iron and iodine. Iodine is very essential to prevent iodine deficiency disorders like decreased IQ, goiter, hypothyroidism, cretinism, brain damage, intellectual disability, psychomotor defects, speech and hearing impairment, stillbirths and abortions. Usually salt is providing 100% of dietary requirement of iodine, and nowadays rock salt is banned. Everyone is recommended to go for iodine enriched salt only, and iron is 30 to 40% of recommended dietary levels is available in this salt. This is the initiative done by the National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad. Oil is again fortified with vitamin A and D because of the fat soluble vitamins. Again here 25 to 30% of recommended dietary allowances of vitamin A and D. Oil is consumed approximately 30 grams per person per day. For doing fortification, it is of very low cost, but they have to have some good manufacturing practices like receiving of raw ingredients, production of premix, again storage of premix, addition of vitamins, processing conditions, inventory control, finished product control like quality testing, and again testing the recommended dietary levels, etc. This is the logo which is given by FSSAI. This is for the fortified milk. You can see F plus logo. So this type of logo is recommended because the people will get aware of what exactly the meaning of fortification is. These are the milk brands which are available in India, which is with F plus brand. This is the information, all the information I have gathered from these websites: fssai.gov.in, ffrc.fssai, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, FAO, World Health Organization, and National Dairy Development Board, and TataTrust.org. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.